In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete GoHighLevel account setup from beginning to end with a focus on snapshots. This is the exact type of video I wish I had when I was first getting started with GoHighLevel, because instead of guessing what to do next, you'll see these steps laid out in the right order. I'm also going to show you how to import a snapshot, which is basically a template you can load into your GoHighLevel account to speed up the entire setup process. If you use the link down below to sign up, you'll get a free snapshot and you'll be able to import the snapshot directly and follow along step by step. I know GoHighLevel can feel intimidating at first. It sounds complex and there's a lot inside the platform, but once you go through things in the right order, it's actually not that bad. My goal with this video is simple: to help you get your GoHighLevel account set up, running, and usable without feeling overwhelmed. One thing I strongly recommend: don't just watch this video, actually pause and do the steps as I do them. That is going to be the fastest way to learn and get everything set up correctly. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Let's get into it. So GoHighLevel is a platform built specifically for real businesses, and I've spent a lot of time breaking down how it actually works behind the scenes. It replaces dozens of tools, keeps everything in one system, and makes it much easier to build processes instead of juggling software. When you learn GoHighLevel the right way, you stop guessing and start operating with structure. So let's start from the very beginning. Step 1, create your GoHighLevel account. The first step is signing up for a GoHighLevel account. If you don't have an account yet and you want access to the free snapshot, use the link down below. That link takes you to the GoHighLevel sign up page and gives you a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. If you already have an account, you can still follow along with this tutorial. When you land on the sign up page, click Start Extended Free Trial, enter your information, and move on to the next step. Once you reach the plan selection step, you'll see 3 different options. Which one you choose really depends on how you plan to use GoHighLevel. The $97 per month plan is best if you're running a single business and only need one GoHighLevel workspace. You still get access to the core features and you can use snapshots. They'll just be applied directly to your main account instead of being spread across multiple sub-accounts. The $297 per month plan is the most popular option, especially if you plan to use snapshots the way they're intended. This plan gives you access to an agency dashboard and lets you create multiple sub-accounts. That means you can import a snapshot once and apply it to separate sub-accounts for different businesses or clients. This is the plan that makes snapshots the most flexible and powerful. The $497 per month plan includes additional SaaS and white label tools. Most beginners don't need this right away, and you can always upgrade later once you're more comfortable with the platform. The important thing to know is this: snapshots work on all plans, but if you want to create new sub-accounts and reuse a snapshot multiple times, the $297 plan gives you the most freedom. And don't stress too much about this decision. You can always change plans later. What matters most is getting started and understanding how the system works. You can always change plans later, so choose what makes sense for you now. So once your account is created, you'll set a password, verify your email, and enter your billing information. You'll also answer a few onboarding questions about how you plan to use GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel also offers a free onboarding call, which I recommend doing after you've watched this video, and set up as much as you can yourself. When you're done, click Take Me to My Account. Step 2, importing the snapshot. Once you're inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, the very first thing you want to do is check your email. You'll see an email that contains your snapshot import link. Make sure you are logged into your GoHighLevel account first, then click that snapshot link from your email. You'll then be taken to an import screen and asked to confirm the import. Click Yes, Import Now. At this point, GoHighLevel will take you into the snapshot import flow. To use the snapshot properly, we're going to create a new sub-account with the snapshot applied. Click the plus button to create a new account. Choose Add Manually, then enter the business information. Once that's done, click Add Sub-Account. And just like that, your new sub-account is created with the snapshot already loaded inside it. This step alone saves a massive amount of time compared to building everything from scratch. This is where most people underestimate the power of snapshots. A snapshot isn't just a few pages or workflows, it's an entire system that's already structured for you. Instead of staring at a blank account and wondering what to build first, the Snapshot gives you a starting framework. You're not copying someone else's business, you're borrowing structure so you can move faster. That's why importing the Snapshot correctly is so important. It sets the foundation for everything else. Step 3, agency dashboard versus sub account. Now, I want to quickly explain what you're looking at. Your agency dashboard is the top level account. Your sub accounts represent individual businesses. Each sub account acts like its own standalone GoHighLevel workplace. If you're on an agency plan, you can create multiple sub accounts for different businesses or clients. If you're not, you'll usually just have one. The Snapshot we imported lives inside the sub account, not the agency dashboard. This is where all the real work happens. So from here on out, everything we do will be inside the sub account that was created with the Snapshot. If the agency versus sub account thing feels confusing right now, that is normal. Here's the simple way to think about it. The agency level is just the container. The sub account is where the actual business lives. So whenever you're editing funnels, workflows, calendars, or messages, you're almost always working inside of the sub account. That's why everything from here on out happens there. Once inside your sub account, the first place you should go is the Launchpad. The Launchpad is designed to walk you through the most important setup steps in the correct order. This includes things like downloading the mobile app, connecting Google Business Profile, connecting Facebook, adding a chat widget, connecting Stripe, adding team members. You don't need to do everything at once, but the Launchpad gives you a clear checklist so nothing important gets missed. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid confusion when you're first starting out. You don't need to finish the Launchpad in one sitting. Think of it as a checklist you come back to over time, not homework you need to rush through. What matters is that you know where it is and what it's guiding you to set up. This alone can save you hours of confusion later. Now let's do a quick overview of what the Snapshot actually gives you. Inside your sub account, you'll see several key sections. Dashboard, this is where you'll eventually see leads, opportunities, and pipeline activity. Conversations, this is where all emails, texts, and messages show up in one place. Calendar is used for booking appointments and managing availability. The Snapshot often includes pre-built calendars you can customize. Contacts, every lead, client, or customer lives there. When you click into a contact, you can see messages, tags, workflows, and activity. Opportunities, this is your pipeline view, similar to a Kanban board where you track leads as they move through different stages. Payments, used for invoices, contracts, payment links, and transactions. Sites, where you manage funnels, websites, and landing pages that came with the Snapshot. Automation, this is where workflows live. The Snapshot usually includes pre-built workflows you can edit instead of building from scratch. Everything you're seeing here was preloaded by the Snapshot, which is why it is so powerful. What you're seeing right now is why Snapshots are so valuable. Instead of building each of these sections one by one, the Snapshot gives you a pre-connected system. Nothing here is locked, everything can be edited, but the hard thinking has already been done for you. Editing and customizing the Snapshot. At this point, the Snapshot is important, but it's important to understand that it's not finished. A Snapshot is a starting template, not a plug and play business. The first place you'll want to customize is your pipelines. Pipelines should reflect how many leads actually move through your sales process, from new lead to contacted to booked to closed. The Snapshot gives you a default flow, but you should rename stages, remove anything you don't need, and add steps that match your business. Next, look at the calendars. The Snapshot may include pre-built calendars, but you'll want to adjust things like availability, meeting length, time zones, and which team members are assigned. This ensures bookings work the way you expect in real life. Then move into workflows, which controls your automations. These are the follow-ups, reminders, texts, and emails that run in the background. Finally, review the websites and funnels that came with the Snapshot. These are usually built to demonstrate structure, not branding. You'll want to update logos, colors, copy, links, and offers so everything matches your actual business. The most important thing to remember is this: you are not rebuilding from scratch. scratch, you're refining. The snapshot gives you structure and connections. Your job is to personalize it so it reflects your business, your voice, and your process. By now, you've seen how to create a GoHighLevel account, import a snapshot, apply it to a new sub account, understand the difference between agency and sub accounts, start using the Launchpad, edit, and build on top of the snapshot. This takes you from a brand new account to something that's actually usable. Yes, it will take time to fully customize everything, but the snapshot removes the hardest part, which is starting from zero. If you follow these steps in order and actually do them as you watch, GoHighLevel becomes much easier to understand. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe. You can use the link below to get access to the free snapshot and extended GoHighLevel trial. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.